Peace beauties, as you can see, I'm crocheting. I'm pretty much done with the back of my hair. I don't know what it looks like. I haven't looked. It feels like it's okay. Like I do have some places that I do need to fill in. I can tell right about here. Just different little areas, but I have about 3 pieces left in this one pack, and I just want to say that, you know, it's different ways that you can do your crochets. It's up to you completely on how you do your install. For me, especially for this particular look, because I don't plan on keeping it in for that long at all. I'm probably going to take it out by next week. I'm just doing a simple one-time loop and then a pull. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Some people will do a double loop. Some people will do a loop and then a tie like I showed before. It's totally your choice. Obviously, completely up to you how you want to do your hair. Like I said, I'm not keeping this in for that long, so this is good enough. Also, this hairstyle was requested that I do by one of my lovely subscribers. She's so lovely that her Instagram name is Lovely Natural. I think it's also like Lovely Natural 33. I can't remember at this moment specifically, but I am going to link her down in the description box below. She posts wonderful pictures. She's a beautiful girl. Be sure to follow her, show her some love, say hello, tell her Courtney sent you, and yeah, let's go ahead and, you know, share love and support one another. She requested that I do this look, so I appreciate you, sis, for that. She saw it on my other channel. If you don't know about my other channel, I'm definitely gonna link it down in the description box below. It's where I do a lot of talking, healing, accepting, and learning myself, and sharing a creative side of me as well. So I'm pretty much going to use a few strands from this pack and create the bun for the top of my hair, and then this look is completely done. Please let me know in the description box down below how you like this look. Stay tuned. Well, you know what? I was gonna say stay tuned because I'll probably show different ways that I wear this look throughout the week, but I'm probably not. Like I said, I plan on taking this out very soon. If for some reason I do leave it in, then you will see those looks that I do create. But usually I'll go ahead and like split the top into 2 ponytails, or I'll end up pulling all of this up and wrapping a really huge bun and just like putting a headband on so you can't see the back too much. You know, just different ways that I kind of just wear this looks pretty much. If you are interested in the different ways now that I wear this look, you can definitely check out my other channel because I did wear quite a few looks with this one hairstyle. I'm trying to pop this rubber band. I don't see my scissors conveniently in front of me, and I was a little bit nervous that it would hurt, but it didn't hurt. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this. And matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and create the ponytail portion now. So you pretty much, for the ponytail, for my bun, I'm gonna take half of this hair, which, you know what, I'm gonna take this half. This is the lighter half, or the lighter portion, and I'm going to take a scrunchie, or scrunchie, however it's pronounced. And what I'm gonna do is just kind of, let me make sure that it's tangle free, or, you know. So one of the things that I love about this hair is the fact that it has this natural kinky effect. And so I don't really stress, like I'm sweating already, so my hair is like lifting up. But you know what? It's okay when that happens because my hair is kinky. It matches this texture, so it doesn't really look bad. However, my hair is lifting up like this mostly because I did the ponytail and I didn't really leave my scarf on for that long. So I'm gonna go to bed tonight clearly, and I'll definitely be sure to like touch it up. Probably, you know what, I probably could do the ponytail over really quickly. Do we want to do that? All right, let's do that. So I'm gonna do the ponytail over. So here's the scrunchie, and I just kind of looped the hair around here. One of the faux locks just came out. I didn't have it attached properly. So this is gonna be our bun, and I'm gonna just hang it right there for a quick second. And before I do this over, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish installing the crochets. If you plan on keeping it in for a little bit longer, or you feel like this isn't secure enough, then you can go ahead and, you know, give it a double loop. And I'm going to show you what a double loop is right now. So pretty much all I did was just put the crochet here through my hair, and at this point I'm going to loop it one time, and if I wanted to double loop I would just twist it and then bring it through a second time. I'm going to undo that though, because like I said, I'm only going with the one. Okay, okay, and so then I just pull it just to make sure that it's secured, and that's all I'm doing. Whew, this hair is hot, I will tell you that much. So if you are planning on doing this look, be prepared for the heat, honey, because this is a lot of hair on your head. It is very light and very airy, so once you give it a good, you get your hair going on, you know. But it is still a lot of hair. Probably not so much at the top, which is why I'm going to do like a little cross crochet just to kind of connect the dots. Beauties, 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 beauties. I know what y'all are thinking. Who do I think I am trying to freestyle this look without a double mirror? Baby, I did not know that I have that much space across the top portion of my hair between my tresses, my faux crochet hair, and my bun. Okay, so once I was actually editing the video and saw that, I did go back and correct and fill that in. I'm going to go ahead and apply some pictures towards the ends of this clip so that you can see. Look at that. Look at that. Who do I think I am? I must have thought I've been doing this for years, hunty. Well, I kind of have, but no, I really definitely should have had 2 mirrors, or at least checked prior to deciding I was done, because no. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and share that being fixed via photos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on that button to get notified. It's your girl. Y'all know the vibes. Peace, y'all. Okay, so I did make a few additions. If I were going to leave it in longer, then I would just rearrange some of the tresses. But you know what? This is good enough. Peace, y'all.